This is officially week 4. Well, week 4 pretty much started yesterday. We went and picked up this tractor. We ended up getting a Kubota BX2380. There's a lot of reason behind why we got this particular tractor versus the B23S. One of them has a backhoe, the other one don't have a backhoe on it. So I just felt like I would need this one with the box blade, with the load on the front, with the mower. It has the capacity. It has a PTO on the back, PTO in the middle. You can raise it up in the back. So I feel like I'm gonna need this one versus needing the other one. But anyway, today we have Mia and Skylar here this week. They did some work yesterday. We had a bonfire last night, set a fire, chilled out. It was pretty dope. Me and Theresa up early this morning getting ready to go up to the field. That field up there, that property up at the top where he's putting a pond that we haven't really been, it need to be cut. It need to be cut. So we're getting ready to go up there and cut it. She's going to get on a Kubota. I'm going to get on that John Deere over there to pull the stuff off the gate because it has the grapple. And that's the next thing about this one. I'm going to get a conversion kit on the front. The grapple kit put on the front so we'll have a grapple too. But that's the claw. But anyway, yeah, week 4, we out here. Farm renovation. Gonna get to it, y'all. Thank you for watching.